Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have two more journals to show you, and I love these. They turned out super cute. I had found this vintage pattern at a thrift store. It's from the 1960s, and it's just a great costume pattern for Batman, Robin, and Superman. And so I knew I wanted to make a journal, you know, close to Halloween. It would be perfect costumes, or just even for your favorite superhero. Who's that superhero in your life? So in the process of gathering things for this, a friend, Tara, had found this book for me. It is a Batman Little Golden book, and so I figured it would be perfect to make a second journal since I didn't have a second one of these patterns. But this is just super fun. It's not a vintage Little Golden book. I just think it's just so adorable, and it went perfectly with all the papers and things that I was doing. It was just easy to make the second journal. So I have two to go up in my shop, and if you'd like to check these out in my Etsy shop, I will have the link for my Etsy shop down below. They are both two signature books, and they each have this fun tassel on the side. This one here has like a Superman sort of character on the top there, with a bunch of fun ribbons and eyelash trims and things there. And then on this one there is a Batman little character on the side, the button. And then the spines are 2 inches both. I'll start with this book and talk about it here for a few minutes. This has this fun paper collection that it's a digital collection on Etsy, and I will try and link the shop down below where I found this. It's a superhero themed, of course. And so I covered the back with this fun print, and then it had a coordinating plaid. I added rickrack trim. I have it tied up with this fun blue polka dot ribbon. Open it up here, and just a lot of the collection, the paper collection. This cute little Batman character die cut. I have some pom-pom trim there. Some vintage items here. That's a plain, like a scorecard and a receiving record. I have some fun Marvel character superhero cards throughout here. There's some book pages. This is another Little Golden book called I Want to Be a Superhero, or something like that. More cards, pockets. Oh, this is a side little tuck here, and I made this journaling card. It pulls out the bag. Here's a vintage playing card. Or a flashcard, actually. Here is a vintage Batman comic. I cut that little piece out. I made some fun paint ink splattered paper for these books. Here is a page from that Batman comic book. Some fun trim there. I made a little envelope. Right now it doesn't have anything in it, but you can put whatever in there. I tried to add little embellishments like little stars and things. Here's the other side of that popcorn bag, and I added a little Superman there. And this pocket is another card, and I just used a page and just sewed together some paper. Here's vintage Pictionary and a music flashcard. I made a bunch of tags and bookmarks and things from the paper collection. I just love the paper collection. There's a tuck. Here is a page with 2 little pockets. Some fun vintage pom-pom trim. And then here's a Spider-Man page. It's like a drawing book. More of the cards. That was from that Batman comic. Here is a little belly band, and then I have these frame ups. I had them from when I was scrapbooking a lot at my early scrapbook days, so it's 2001, but I just thought they were perfect. The little frames, so you can take them apart, but they have the fun colors with the stars. There's another lunch sack with a pocket there. Another Pictionary card. Oh, and my Pictionary cards have words on them that actually go. Like this one says bat. Another one said costume, and then I think I had another Pictionary card in here that says Robin. So these books would be great if you have a little boy who loves superheroes, or it'd be great right now if you have a family member or a friend who is a doctor or a nurse or somebody on the front lines dealing with everything going on right now. We call them our superheroes, so it'd be great for them, especially if they love a superhero. All that. Here's a little pocket that I made with just some scraps. Lots of places in here to put pictures and do journaling. Okay, got some glue there. That's okay. It's just a little flip up there. And then the last page, or the cover has a couple text spot here and a pocket here, and then another tag that I made with Batman. And then there is the back. So love that. I'm so happy with the way it turned out, so I hope you like that as well. So going on into this one, it has this really fun red and white ribbon to tying it up. And we'll open this up here. It's very similar to the other one. Some things are a little bit different, but it has a lot of the same pockets and tags and things like that. I have Superman here instead of Batman because this is kind of the theme, more the theme of Superman on this one, so. Tickets, different pages throughout the book than the other one. Here's this one. Little tag. Oh, this has two. This one. Okay, so this one, this bingo card will go in that book. Got a lot of extra bingo cards, I guess. This Pictionary card has Joker on it. Slightly different. Here's the inside there, the Batman comic. And I really love this how this paper turned out. It was just a lot of fun to make that. This one has a vintage flashcard with a star. And then this Pictionary card has shield on it because I know some of them have the shields that they hold up. Here is another little journaling card that I made with the Batman there. It fits in that little text spot. It's another little tag. bookmark. So it's all pretty similar to the other one. For this one, the Spider-Man drawing page folds out because I didn't like the way it was looking just a minute, especially this side. So this way you can at least see the whole thing at once, as opposed to it just being like this part on one page. So that would have been okay, but yeah, I think it just worked out better that way. Here's a little library card pocket that I made. Another comic book page there. It also has little frame ups. And there's that center of that signature. And have a little Batman on that lunch sack. Same little envelope there. Here's the handmade envelope. Little scrap tuck pocket. This one, little flap comes up. I added the comic book section there on that one. And then back here I have Captain America on that paper. And then here is the Superman tag that I made. Love how this turned out. And then there is the back of that one. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed looking at these, and hopefully it gives you some inspiration if you're not able to check them out in my Etsy shop. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.